In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a task in Asana. Duplicating a task is a simple way to reuse work you've already structured, ideal for recurring checklists, repeating processes, or when you want a quick starting point without rebuilding everything from scratch. First, open the task you want to copy, find it from your project, My Tasks, or a search result, and click the task name to open the details pane on the right side of your screen. You'll know you're in the right place when you can see the task title, description, assignee, due date, and any subtasks or attachments. Take a quick moment here to confirm you've selected the correct task, especially if you use similar names across your workspace. It's easier to copy the right item than to clean up an accidental duplicate later. Next, look to the upper right corner of that details pane for the three dots, often labeled More Actions. Click those three dots to open the menu. This menu holds extra options you won't see on the main toolbar, and it's the fastest path to the duplicate feature. If your window is small, the icon may shift slightly, but it will remain in the top right area of the task details. From that menu, choose Duplicate Task. Asana will create a new task based on the original. The copy typically includes the title and description and may include fields like assignee, due date, subtasks, and attachments, depending on your workspace defaults. You'll usually see the word copy added to the task name, making it easy to tell the two apart at a glance. The duplicate appears in the same project or context as the original, so it's immediately visible where you expect it. Duplicating won't change or remove anything from the original task, so you can experiment freely. If your workspace uses automations or rules, the new task may trigger them just like any other task. That's all there is to it. Open the task, click the three dots, and pick Duplicate Task. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the duplicate task option, you might not have the right permissions on that project or task. Ask a project owner or admin to adjust access. Also remember that duplicating is great for building lightweight templates. Keep a clean, up-to-date starter task and duplicate it whenever you kick off a similar piece of work, saving time and keeping your process consistent. Thanks for watching and enjoy the extra efficiency